Today I'm going to teach you how to create a custom sized canvas in Procreate. So if we go into our gallery or we open up Procreate, it'll take you here where all of our different artworks are displayed. To create a new canvas, remember that you go up to the right and you hit that little plus button, and that will open the new canvas menu. So there are a couple of options that are kind of pre-added into Procreate, and you might have one called letter. So over here you see this one called letter. It's 8.5 inches by 11 inches. So you can click on that. If you don't have something like that, or you want to work with a different size, you're going to go all the way to the top. Above screen size, it says new canvas, and all the way to the right is this little button here. So you can see it kind of gets smaller, and if you hit that button, that will open up the custom canvas options for you. So over here, you can decide how big you want your canvas to be. So like I said, we want to be working in inches. So at the bottom menu, you can see that there's millimeters, centimeters, inches, and pixels. So the PX stands for pixels. We want to work in inches, so make sure those like quotation marks are at the end. That means inches. And we want the width of this to be 8.5, 8.5, and we want the height of this to be 11. And that's what you need. So the DPI is essentially the quality of the images that you're going to have, and this takes up like a lot of space. So let's say that I wanted a high DPI, like 500 is a super high quality image. That means that this image is going to take up a lot of space, and so it lowers the amount of layers that you're going to have, so maximum layers. So I usually set it to 300. I have 59 layers to work with. That's enough for me personally, but if yours won't let you work with that many, you can lower it to like 200, 250, something like that. It's fine for projects that we're just doing in art class. Doesn't matter that much, but generally, I like it to be about 300. The other settings you don't really need to worry about. At the top, instead of untitled canvas, it's good to name this letter, because this is the size of a standard piece of paper that you would put into the printer. 8.5 by 11. That's the exact same size of a sketchbook that you have this year. That might change depending on what year you're watching this, but there you go. So you'll hit create, and then you'll be done, and it should open that up for you. So I already have one named letter. I'll just open that up. And that is how you create a custom canvas in Procreate.